YouTube, this is Bob Joe here, and I'm going to be playing a bit of Forza Motorsport. I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect drift car. Okay, so to start off, you're going to need a good bit of money because you want to do it up a lot. It's just on again. You got Forza Motorsport cars. You can go into your auction house to buy the car. It's easier, but you might not find the car. So this is one of the reasons why you're going to need a lot of money. Going to buy cars, you pick out a car. I find the best ones will be an Acura, an Audi, or like Nissans are the most favourite ones. But BMWs are alright as well. But today I'm going to be making a Honda. I'm going to be making one for a Honda. So you can get the real long one, but I find it easier to use lightweight kind of small cars, compact cars. Like the S200, but I'm just going to be using the Honda Fit Sport. I'm just going to use Civic Type R because it's easier and it's a bit better. You can buy it in any colour. Now once you have that, you're just going to go to upgrade. Don't go to quick upgrade because that's not the thing you want to do, because it will give you things that you don't want. Now, you don't want things that would bring up the handling and control. You want that loose so it just kind of drags around corners. It's good to have a bit of handling, just not too much. And you need a good bit of speed so you can build up speed and acceleration. So, alright, now you're into the platform handling. What you do is you go to it, you'd want really good suspension. You want front roll bars to keep it more heavy on the ground. You want real expensive ones, and then on the back you just want the less expensive ones. The roll cage is always a good thing to have because it kind of weighs it down more. And if you're getting your weight reduction, it's easier just to get the very last one because it brings your handling and braking up, but that's for sports car. So we don't want to do it with a sports car, so we're not going to use it at all. It's my favourite thing to use in sports car. Now you're going to need a good clutch as well, so you're going to buy expensive clutch. You're going to buy expensive transmission. You'd want to buy some driven. Race ones are good as well. They're the best ones you can get. Then you just want to get some of these. I have no idea what they're for, but oh no, they bring handling down. Now tyres. Just stay with your stock tyres because you need it to be more loose on the road. Just pick any type of wheel. You can do this if you want, but it does help some of the modifications make it look cooler, but they also help the speed and stuff. Side skirts aren't that important, but they're still kind of good and they look real cool on the car. Now, so once you've got that done, you're going to want to go over to the conversions. Now, you don't want to pick one that would bring all your things right back down to the start. You're going to want one that kind of brings everything up, but doesn't cost that much. I'm going to use the single tube charger because it does cost a bit more, but it brings speed up and everything up way more. Okay, so that's the car. It's fully done up. Now we're going to go and race it in multiplayer mode. This works better if you use an old Chrysler or just a really old American Dodge. They work the best because they have more weight and you can throw them around corners easier. Just spectate the race while we're waiting. If I lose against this guy, please don't slag me because this looks like some hard competition. He also picked out a good car. The Toyotas are also good, but it's easier crashing them. You have to be a real skilled to use these ones. Oh, see. This guy is very good. Sitting around a little bit. Sorry guys, bear with me. The race is almost over. Then I'll be able to show you how the car looks. This guy should be finished by now. Alright, the race is almost over. Yeah, I really hate people that just do this. This race obviously isn't going anywhere. So, one of them finished the race. So that means that there's only like 44 seconds for the next person to end. Skip ahead of the video, you should, because it's just gonna be boring when we're waiting. Okay, the race is over. Now we can get to drifting properly with our car. Select cars. That's the car we're racing in today. These are some other cars. I would usually go for a Chevrolet or a Skyline, Fairlady or 350Z. So there's 1 minute till the game starts. "40 seconds left." I'm gonna try and put a sign up telling you what time that you should skip to in the video, so that you don't have to just wait like, I think it's about 3-4 minutes. Alright, about 20 seconds left. "15 seconds to start. 10 seconds. It's just me against one person, so it's kind of perfect to show. It's on a good track. This track has lots of turns on it and lots of curves. crash. It's not about the drift you get. You have to get speed to hit the drift. So that's why you have to have good acceleration. And he just crashed into me. Okay, so that's how you make a drift car. Thanks. Please like and subscribe if you like it. It doesn't take that long. Check out some of my other videos. I have some tutorials on how to make, and I might be starting a Minecraft episode soon. So thanks. Bye.